Fall is the perfect season to refresh your home decor, and this year, the excitement around new trends is undeniable. As the crispness of autumn sets in and temperatures start to drop, many of us feel inspired to revamp our living spaces with fresh styles that reflect the season's charm. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you stick with classic fall colors, or dare to experiment with bold new trends? Let's dive into 3 standout looks that our expert editors swear by, all easily accessible through QVC's diverse collection of home accessories. Whether your style is traditional or modern, these ideas offer simple, affordable ways to give your home a seasonal facelift without overhauling everything. 1. Enchanting autumnal orange. This year, the color marigold. Think a rich, vibrant orange-yellow, reminiscent of golden marigold blossoms, is capturing the spotlight in home design. It's a shade that feels both cozy and energized, perfect for injecting warmth into any room. Imagine greeting guests with a vibrant faux chrysanthemum wreath hung on your front door. It immediately sets a welcoming, cheerful tone. Inside, adding flameless candles in deep rust tones provides a gentle, flickering ambiance that's perfect for those early fall evenings. Complementary touches like a soft cotton throw blanket bursting with colors and a matching pillow turn your couch into a snug nook for reading or relaxing. To balance those warm hues, introduce earthy green ceramic vases. These create stunning visual contrast, making the oranges pop beautifully. This combination is approachable for beginners and creates instant seasonal charm. 2. Glamorous Halloween vibes. Who says Halloween decor can't be chic? This season, elevating your spooky decorations with a touch of elegance is a trend catching on quickly. Picture classic black flameless taper candles nestled in golden pedestal holders. This pairing casts a mysterious, moody glow without the mess of real wax. For a daring twist, incorporate a checkerboard painted skull that redefines the typical Halloween motif, blending playful and sophisticated aesthetics. Don't forget a set of flocked pumpkins, their texture and gold stems adding depth and richness. To top it off, a raven feather wreath delivers a dramatic flair that balances the eerie with the glamorous. This style isn't just for Halloween night. It can make your whole autumn season feel uniquely stylish, but it also raises a question. Do these luxurious Halloween decorations risk losing the holiday's fun and quirky spirit? We'd love to hear your thoughts. 3. All about stripes, layered and loved. Stripe drenching is 2025's answer to adding bold, dynamic interest in home design. This trend revolves around layering various striped patterns and textures to create rooms full of energy and visual intrigue. For example, in the living area, a neutral-toned natural area rug with hand-drawn stripes serves as a grounding element. Layer on a cotton throw blanket featuring crisp stripes and a generously sized ottoman covered in hand-woven striped fabric. Each piece complements the other while maintaining a restrained color scheme. This approach makes a powerful statement without overwhelming the space. Moving into the bedroom, stripes soften and romanticize the vibe with a delicate pink blanket and a cool baby blue sheet set, proving stripes aren't just for boldness. They can be cozy and charming too. For those new to this trend, starting with 1 or 2 striped elements can provide a gentle introduction before going all in. No matter which fall design path you choose, these editor-approved trends prove that seasonal decorating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By swapping a few key accessories, your home can quickly reflect the evolving beauty of autumn. Which trend resonates most with you? You a fan of the timeless autumn orange, the luxurious Halloween glam, or the high-impact stripe layering? Or do you have your own favorite fall decor hack? Share your thoughts and join the conversation, because decorating is always more fun with different perspectives.